In this video, our task is to find the area of a triangle, and we are given the measurements. R is 3.6 centimeters, T is 4.8, and angle S is 44 degrees. So the first thing that we're going to do is start by sketching the triangle. We can see that we have 3.6 on one side, and that would mean that angle R would be across from it. We know that we have another side which is 4.8 centimeters. That means the angle T would be across from it. And then we know that angle S is 44 degrees. Looking at this, we can see that we have the side angle side case. Now, going back from what we know on area of a triangle, we know that the definition is area equals 1/2 base times height. The problem with this triangle is that we don't know the height. And so what we talked about in class is that we can, when we're looking for the height, that creates a right triangle. And so we have an adaptation of our original area formula. And so to find our height, since we are working with a right triangle, we can use the sine function, since sine of 44 degrees would be our height over our hypotenuse 3.6. And so our new area formula that would work for other triangles would be 1/2 AB sine of angle C. So for our triangle here, our base is actually going to be side T. And then to find the height, we would set up the equation sine is h over 3.6. And so then to get that alone, we would end up taking what we know, the 3.6, which is side R, times the sine of 44 degrees. Well, since we know side R and we know side T, we can plug in all that we know. And so our area will be found by taking 1/2 times 3.6 times 4.8 times the sine of the angle between the two sides that we know. And then once we type this into our calculator, we'll get about 6 centimeters squared. Ends up being our answer.